Keep Covid-19 out of our markets. What can you do as a market authority? Markets are central to any community as a place where people buy their food and other essential products. But markets are places where the Covid-19 virus can spread quickly. As a market authority, you can put a series of measures in place to reduce this risk. Proper hygiene. Make it mandatory for everyone to cover their mouth and nose. Place hand washing or sanitizing stations at market entrances, using foot pumps or other touchless operations. Where possible, set up a health table outside the market that performs temperature checks of people entering the market. Openable windows that facilitate natural air movement. Frequently clean all common areas, such as hand washing stations and restrooms, and replenish soap and hand sanitizer. Social distancing. Where possible, control the entry and exit of customers and vendors to limit crowding and set up a system for orderly, distanced queuing. Discourage social engagement in the market. Keep people moving. Coordinate the timing for the setup, replenishment, and breakdown of markets. Consider breaking down the market in the evening. Consider extended hours of operation to avoid crowding, and introduce explicit market times for the elderly and vulnerable. Where possible, design a one-way flow pattern in your market using arrows and other visual aids to assist customers in maintaining a 1.5-metre distance from each other throughout the market. Post clear and prominent physical distancing signage in all walkways at entrances, exitways, vendor booths, and any space that may become crowded. Restructure vendor stalls using, for example, tables and markings on the ground, to create a 1.5-metre buffer between customers and vendors, except when transacting payments. Put customer queuing guides in place using, for example, markings on the ground to ensure social distancing between customers. When possible, use plexiglass panels or other devices to separate stalls that are less than 2 metres apart. If appropriate, encourage contact-free payment. Inform customers and vendors. Develop communication campaigns to inform market workers and customers about the risks of Covid-19. Simple posters illustrating the do's and don'ts of COVID safety, as well as safe food preparation and vending, should be widely and prominently displayed. Regularly broadcast safety guidelines using a public announcement system, speakers, or a megaphone. Simple, easily understood information messages should be tailored for dissemination via several different platforms, including social media channels and mobile phones, to encourage safety-orientated behavioural changes. Monitor and enforce. Health officials should monitor overcrowding at stalls and enforce social distancing and the use of face masks. Ensure the masks cover both the nose and mouth. Inform customers they cannot enter if they have any symptoms or if they're positive for Covid-19, even if they have only mild or no symptoms. If anyone who has or suspects to have Covid-19 did enter the market, they should be asked to leave immediately. Be part of the team that'll make our markets safer.